Restoring sending privileges on Robinhood can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you regain those privileges. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Robinhood account by entering your credentials on the app or website. Ensure you are using the correct login information to avoid any issues. Step 2. Check account status. Navigate to your account settings and check for any alerts or notifications regarding your sending privileges. This will help you understand if there are any specific issues that need to be addressed. Step 3. Review compliance requirement. Familiarize yourself with Robinhood's compliance requirements. Sometimes, sending privileges can be restricted due to regulatory reasons, so ensure you meet all necessary criteria. Step 4. Contact customer support. If you cannot identify the issue, reach out to Robinhood's customer support. Use the app chat feature or email them directly to explain your situation and request assistance in restoring your privileges. Step 5. Follow up. After contacting support, keep an eye on your email or app notifications for updates regarding your request. If you do not hear back within a reasonable timeframe, consider following up to ensure your issue is being addressed. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your sending privileges on Robinhood. If you encounter any challenges, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from the support team.